One of the biggest values that we take a lot of pride in here at Sundowner is being able to produce a product that is done in-house. And what I mean by in-house, from start to finish, that trailer is done here on site in Coleman, Oklahoma. Has been since 1976. And we take a lot of pride in the product that we produce.
After years of being the leader in the industry in the horse and livestock trailers, Sundowner has ventured out into new markets. We've started building toy haulers for recreational use, side-by-sides, Jeeps, things of that nature. Utility trailers, car haulers, motorsports trailers, even more high-end living quarters that just continue to develop and develop as the company grows.
With product constantly changing, we've had to diversify quite a bit. It's how we bring stuff in, how we interact with vendors, especially in today's current market.
Previously, they had an on-site supplier of tool crib management, one individual, really low interaction. There was often times where the individual wasn't even on site that day, and they would really put them out of product and really slow production.
There was a lot of thought that went into making a change from our existing vendor management supplier. Myself, I let it go too long just because it was here, it was convenient, it was working. I knew we needed to make a change, but it was scary for me to make that change. We have, about 500,000 square feet of building, under a roof. It's a large facility. It's spread out. We have over 500 people all over this campus. In our vendor managed location, we had a tool crib, which just happens to be right below my office. And all throughout the day, I could see one person coming to the door and another person coming to the door, and then 3 people coming to the door to get a roll of tape or whatever. And it just made me think about all the wasted time and wasted steps.
We started to bring in our implementation team, our lean solutions team, and put together a plan of how we could help them achieve their goals. The benefit of a Fastenal on-site is that it's the customer's solution and not our standard cookie cutter solution. So what worked best for Sundowner and what we've been able to implement is we manage a centralized warehouse, a tool crib, so to speak, but we've got 25 different point of use locations scattered across their campus. And we manage over 800 SKUs. We were able to bring in 4 Fastenal employees that are at no cost to Sundowner, and they're now part of the Sundowner culture and part of the Sundowner family.
Fastenal establishing an on-site facility here at Sundowner has actually increased production, especially with the vending program that Fastenal's implemented. I would say increased production within the first month, probably 10 to 15%. As far as how the Fastenal crew interacts with the crew here at Sundowner, it's been a tremendous asset. Always willing to go the extra mile, always willing to do whatever it takes to get product here, which makes my job a lot easier.
So when Fastenal came on board, they were real strong in talking about a partnership. In the very beginning, this was a partnership between Sundowner and Fastenal, and it's been nothing but that.
We're able to supply same-day needs. We're able to live and breathe in their culture. We're able to adapt and change as their business changes. And I firmly believe our customers do what they do and they do it well, whether they're a premier trailer manufacturer or in the hospitality industry or government or whatever it may be. That's their strong suit. Them allowing us to come in and do what we do best of managing inventory and leveraging our logistics and distribution is what helps them propel their business into the future.
Fastenal has exceeded expectations, especially on my end. Because my end, I'm the first one you hear when you run out of product. I'm the one, well, Mike, why didn't you have that product here? Fastenal, looking back, it's been a home run.
Products are products, but service and access to people and communication is something that we've lacked in the past, and we have that today with Fastenal.